was videotaping you. I'm just taking a video of the beautiful frame here.
Yeah, and that ender was never attached
Oh, this block wasn't attached?
on that, just that one. So I could drill a hole and attach it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just gotta remember which way these went.
So none of the rust was really bad on this. It was just scratching. And what did you use to treat it?
We used that stuff you bought.
The encapsulator,
Yeah.
the Eastwood product.
Yep.
And then it was what was the paint that you used? Rust-Oleum?
Chassis.
Chassis paint.
Eastwood chassis paint.
So you did a hot steam, light sandblasting,
Yep.
and then the tank we basically sandblasted the whole thing down, right?
Yeah, and then we wire brush and scrub.
The inside of the tank is nice and healthy, right?
It is really healthy.
There's no,
It's pretty freaking clean.
yeah, it would look like brand new in there.
I'm surprised.
Yeah, well, it's got good treatment on it, so
Can't beat that.
thing looks brand new, man.
Yeah.
No rust. Great sheet.